Welcome to the SINUMERIK tutorial SINUMERIK Operate. Optimize My Programming 3D Scanner, the automated transfer of machining features from step files. Optimize My Programming 3D Scanner is a function for importing CAD data in step format directly into SINUMERIK. In the Program Manager, either a new program is created or an existing program is opened. I create a new program. You can import the corresponding CAD file in step format under Various and then under Import from CAD. The so-called features are now analyzed. Features are body edges of the CAD design data that are provided with information. After importing, you will see the component with the recognized features arranged to the right of it. These are separated into individual blocks. Each surface is separate. Now I set the 0 point to a different position, in this case to the opposite corner. On the one hand, because it may be technically necessary, and on the other hand, I would like to show how easy it is. For example, by selecting 3 faces by clicking on them. In this way, the new 0 point is defined easily and securely. To align the component in a desired axis, proceed in the same way. Only one surface is sufficient here. Note, the dimensions for the blank were automatically transferred from the solid model to the blank description. Now we select the first block in the feature recognition. As you can see, machining suggestions are displayed, including the cycle 800 swiveling cycle. Simply select the surface that is to be machined. After confirming the values of the swivel cycle with OK, the cycle 800 is transferred to the far left column. This is our created NC program. Now to the first machining operation, face milling. I open the machining suggestion on the right-hand side and check the suggested values, adding them if necessary. After clicking on OK, the face milling cycle on the left-hand side also appears on the far left of the created NC program. We check the second surface. A glance at the swiveling cycle shows that the angle of the axis positions has already been recognized and described by the system during import. Thanks to automatic feature recognition, there is no need to manually enter and, if necessary, calculate the angles. Here we proceed in the same way as with the first machining side. Face milling appears on the far left of the NC program. We proceed in the same way with the third side. Both with the swiveling cycle and with face milling. We proceed in the same way with all other machining sides. You can see how quickly and reliably work steps can be derived from the seared data of the step files. This allows us to continue programming the other machining steps as usual using the procedure shown. Let's briefly summarize the use of the 3D feature scanner. We open an existing CNC work step program or create a new one. We select the desired step file. The CAD data is analyzed by the 3D feature scanner and automatically transferred to the CNC program in the form of SINUMERIK work steps. We can now adjust the workpiece 0 point if required. We now select the work steps that are suitable for us from those suggested by the 3D feature scanner. We can then adapt and extend the work steps created in this way as required. We have now familiarized ourselves with the functionality of Optimize My Programming 3D Scanner. We have learned how CAD scanners can be used in step files directly on the machine in shop floor. This can save CAM workstations in the office or in some cases completely. See you soon.